Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm excited to share with you one of my all-time favorite Ghanaian street foods, fried egg and bread, which is also known as chibom. Yes, this is a quick, delicious and satisfying snack that you can enjoy any time of the day. So let's jump right in. We'll begin by cracking 2 eggs into a bowl. So once I'm done, we'll add in some chopped tomatoes. We'll also go in with some sliced onions and add in salted water. That is what the street sellers use, okay? But you can use your regular salt. To add some spice to the egg, we'll go ahead to add in some chili powder. That is totally optional, okay? We'll go ahead to give it all a good mix until everything is well combined. Once I'm done, we'll set it aside. Now, I'm going to heat up a little bit of oil into a frying pan over a medium heat. Once it is hot enough, we'll go ahead to pour in my egg mixture. Then spread it out evenly and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on one side until it is nicely set. Then we'll carefully flip over to cook the other side. Okay, so you want a nice golden brown color on both sides. So while the eggs are cooking, we'll go ahead to prep my bread, okay? I like my bread to be lightly toasted, okay? Which will also give me a bit of crunch. You can do this in the same pan, just for a minute on each side. Once the eggs are ready, we'll push it to the side, then toast my bread. Next is to place the fried egg on one slice of the bread. If you want, you can spread a little bit of butter or margarine on the other side before placing it on top. Hey, where are my egg lovers? Just look at it. It's so good. The softness of the bread, the flavor of the onions, and the slight heat from the pepper. Okay, corner chilled malt. Hey. Abaleke. Aluminoke. Yes, whether you're making this for breakfast, lunch, or a quick snack, I promise you, you will love it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to join this channel for more tasty recipes.